Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Bitcoin once again, and very quickly, if you're not in the Discord channel, join us into the Discord because this is a holy grail where we actually post some updates as well and talk about crypto and discuss. So the community is amazing. We have some different traders as well. Other people share the charts and their opinions about the market as well. Now, Bitcoin to me, it seems like it's in a very big falling wedge right now. It seems like it's in a falling wedge, and that's bullish. That's bullish. The decision is coming in by 24, 23 January. And don't sell your damn coins, man. Keep holding your damn coins, your stupid coins, whichever coins you have right now, okay? Just take your coins and keep holding them because for me 2022 is in for a treat and we are far away from the top. We are not yet into the top and the top hasn't really set in just yet. So I'm actually going to dive into some different charts, and because I've already spoken about this one, yes. Now, since I've already been talking about this one and I've spoken about Bitcoin and my own plan, and the stick sandwich candlestick pattern hasn't been invalidated just yet, okay? It has not been invalidated. And on the weekly time frame, we also have the weekly closing in the next coming 4 days. Potentially 4 days is left to actually close the weekly, and you can see a perfect stick sandwich candlestick pattern right here. And by the way, I've already spoken about the future of this candlestick because we saw it in dot. Okay, this appeared on Polkadot. Now look at Polkadot, and if we go into the daily time frame, I'm going to show you this one very quickly here. And on the daily time frame, it actually appeared on the daily, and this one played out really nicely. Do you see that the stick sandwich candlestick pattern? It happened here, and if you don't know what that is actually a red candle, a green candle in the middle, and then a red candle. So basically the green candle is being sandwiched between these two idiots, which is the red one and then the red one. So diving back into the Bitcoin as well, I want to talk about some stuff here that people are missing out potentially. And here you are on the weekly. That's what you have, the stick sandwich candlestick pattern. It hasn't been invalidated. We haven't closed below this blue line right here. On the weekly, we never closed below the blue line. So 4 days is left to decide, and if Bitcoin just goes back up to 47,000, this is still in play, and we're still not going to go down to fill the week. A lot of people are saying we're going to fill this week. Potentially you could, but I don't think so personally. I don't think you're going to feel that weak, and all I see is just a big falling wedge right from there, and you're going to break out of here and then go back to 69,000 where you actually formed that falling wedge. So let's dive into the BLX as well, and I want to talk about when the bear market can actually happen and what can you expect before the bear market. So basically on the weekly, I'm going to turn on the 55 EMA and look where the 55 EMA is. Just look where that is. Now, the biggest cheat sheet that I can give you about Bitcoin for the bear market is actually when you lose the 55 EMA and close below the 55 EMA as well. So let's say you go down, lose the 55, all right, backtest it. That will be a very big sign that you're actually going to go all the way down for a bear market. And actually, if you actually zoom out of Bitcoin right now, the Bitcoin, it's really like, look, on a higher bird's view, this is where you are right now. So don't miss these opportunities. I think Bitcoin is discounted for you people to actually buy it. And first of all, I want to talk about these curves, and they look so nice. And this is the first cycle. The second cycle went up like that, and then you have this cycle which extends. And if you actually see where it is extending, it's extending until 13 February next year. So you might have that blow off top after 1 year, and if you actually look at it that way, that takes you very far away, like 500,000 plus dollars for Bitcoin. And this is not me. Once again, the chart is in front of you guys. Look at the charts. Don't look at what people are saying. Just look what the charts are saying, guys, because I do believe that Bitcoin one day is gonna hit $1 million in the distant future as well, except if magic doesn't happen and we start falling to the downside as well. Now I'm gonna dive into the DXY, which is the dollar index, and from here I want to talk about this DXY as well. Now the DXY to me seems like it wants to retrace all the way down here to nearly 94. And if this one does go a little bit down there, that would be actually nice for Bitcoin. You're going to see a nice movement to the upside. But one problem is that the DXY didn't really hit that top right there, which is the 99. So basically it does have a technical target to go to the 99. And that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm just looking for the bump and run, the falling wedge, and the stick sandwich candlestick pattern. 3 bullish reason why Bitcoin can actually go up and not go down unless we don't start losing some structure. Then I'm going to actually start to change a little bit of my view along with the charts. But right now, I don't think it's something that we have to be fearful about. So let's see what Bitcoin does. Can it go to $59,000 or not? Let's see. Time will tell. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.